Our C1 particles checkpoint test, slides 7, 8, and 9. We've got two pictures here, one of a liquid and one of a solid, and we want to fill in some gaps about those two pictures. First one there, in the diagram, each circle represents a particle. All we're looking there is the spelling. The arrow represents, well, we're going from liquid to solid, so that is freezing. When we freeze water, that is liquid to water, liquid to solid water. In this change of state, energy is transferred to the surroundings. And the reason we say that is because the particles have lost some energy, and that means they're going to move more slowly. If the arrow was pointing the other way, however, then it would be melting, because we'd be going from solid to liquid, i.e. from ice to water, and so therefore melting. Now, here we have another substance, but this time it's not water, a different one. We're told a melting point and a boiling point, and all we're asking is to describe the state that we're in. So 675 degrees is greater than the melting point, but less than the boiling point, so therefore we are in the liquid state. At 1111, we are just above the boiling point, and so therefore we are in the gas state. At -10, we're way over to the left-hand side of the melting point, and so therefore we are in the solid state. And lastly, at 650 degrees, we can have two states present. Well, we're melting at that state, and so therefore melting would produce us a solid or a liquid. Last one, we're going to correct some statements. Okay, in box A, we see the particles all very close together, so this is quite clearly a solid. In box B, however, the particles are further apart, and so this is quite clearly a gas. The arrow represents a change of state. Change of state is not evaporation, because we're not going from a liquid to a gas, we're going from a solid to a gas, and so therefore this is sublimation, sorry. I always make that mistake. All right, have a check of your answers, compare them to mine, and then be sure to move on.